An assessment process refers to the steps, methods, and tools used to evaluate an individual's knowledge, skills, or abilities. In Test Invite, assessments are created and administered using tasks. A task serves as a template for an assessment, containing all the necessary configurations and tests to be conducted within the process. The task dashboard displays important information such as the number of registered candidates, number of assessments that have taken place, and conducted testings. On the right side, I can see the link to access the task, the configured authentication method, and the number of steps within the task, with each step representing a test to be conducted as part of the assessment. When I access the Settings tab of my task and select the Steps section, I can see that 2 tests are included in this task. This means that every registered candidate will be able to take these 2 tests to complete the assessment, unless additional restrictions are imposed. Each step within my task has its own set of configurations that determine the conditions under which the test will be administered, including security, proctoring and surveillance options, and reporting settings, among others. In the Access section, you can set up how candidates will access the task and additional details about the assessment's launch, such as the content displayed, the form to be filled out, the default language, and the dates of availability. Once you've configured the tests and access details in the task, you can register candidates individually or in batches, and send invitation emails immediately or schedule them for a later date. The Emails tab provides a list of sent emails, allows previewing each email, and tracks the status of each email, including events such as opens and clicks. The Monitoring panel enables real-time monitoring and proctoring of tests, including tracking progress, viewing webcam and screen recordings, and initiating live chats with test takers. Test Invite's cloud-based infrastructure enables real-time monitoring and proctoring of thousands of candidates, and provides complete control over all aspects of the assessment process. The Test Sessions tab provides access to all test results. The Candidates tab gives an overview of each candidate's progress, including their weighted assessment score and a link to view the test results. In summary, the process of administering an assessment includes creating a new task, adding and configuring the tests, setting up candidate access, registering candidates, sending email invitations, monitoring and proctoring, if desired, during the test, and reviewing the results. I hope this tutorial gave a good overview of how assessments are administered using Test Invite. The platform is highly customizable and offers powerful features to enhance security, efficiency, and effectiveness in the assessment process. I hope to see you in a future tutorial where we can explore more of the capabilities of Test Invite.